Okay, it's day one for the production of Heist. It's very cold, it's very wet, but the rain has stopped.
The Heist obviously is composed of quite a few interesting cars of our past. So all these cars are basically the shoulders of our brand that this brand then sits on and stands on. And that's with the Taycan, of course, it is not allowed to step back even an inch of those heroes that we see in the Heist.
Day 3 of the Heist shoot, and we are at the museum.
We had 10 cars exiting the museum into the Porsche Platz, which is basically a roundabout, and coordinating all these 10 cars plus the Russian armed car, which was a Cayenne, by the way, in sync, drifting all in sync, and that was not easy to get done.
When I'm dreaming about doing a job like this as a stunt coordinator, I mean, that's the job.
So one of the big challenges about Heist is it's such a huge production. 6 days, we're in about 5 locations.
We've got green screen work happening today just like we did yesterday in a different location. So we're going to have 2 crews going today at the same time.
The essence of the Porsche tractor, of course, is that up until the 50s, the 1950s, Porsche was producing more tractors than sports cars. And at one moment of time, we had to decide, are we going to be a sports car manufacturer or a tractor manufacturer? And I'm very happy it went the way it did.
Speed! Here we go, and action, guys. We're driving straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, break.
So when we came to Heidelberg, we decided to use one of the most iconic elements, landmarks of Heidelberg, which is that famous Roman bridge that was built like 2,000 years ago. And the bridge is normally closed down to traffic. They opened up the bridge for us to be able to drive with our Porsches. And believe it or not, this made the local news in the newspapers. Those crazy guys from Porsche.